Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make a super delicious side dish. Peas is one of the least favorite vegetables for many people, but this recipe, if you try it, you will always want to eat it. It's dilled peas, English peas specifically, with walnuts, toasted walnuts. So stick around so I can show you how to pull this recipe together. I'm using 16 ounces of fresh peas that I bought, but I ended up freezing them. So you can also buy frozen peas. These are English organic style peas. 2 packs is about a pound. Okay, lots of dill, fresh dill, and you want to remove the hard stem from the dill. Let me give these a nice good chop. Okay, I'm using this is a medium size shallot. Shallot is better in this recipe. And I'm using for the walnuts 3/4 cup of walnuts halved. And then what I really did with the half is break them into a few pieces. So I lost a piece. Break them with your fingers, it's not much. Then I'm going to roast this in olive oil. So I'm going to get that going and then come back and cut the shallot. Okay, so I have the walnuts roasting, and I also have a pot of water. A small pot of water is fine. You could salt it or not, it's up to you. And then I'm just going to cut my shallots. And you want to dice these pretty small. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on my icon to the left, your right, and also a thumbs up would be very much appreciated to this video. To get the details to this delicious recipe, mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!